how to download Dazz Cam. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to download Dazz Cam. And first things first, go to your Play Store, open your Play Store just like this, and simply search for Dazz Cam. By doing that, you will be able to see all the different apps over here. And as you can see on the top part, you have Dazz Cam Retro Filter Effect. So simply click on Install, and you will be able to download it. As you can see, it's currently pending, and it will begin downloading our Dazz Cam app. And after downloading, it will of course then install it. And as you can see, its size is 22.65 megabytes over here. So let's simply wait for a few seconds, be able to install it and download and open it as well. Now you could see information while waiting for it to download. You can see information on what this app is about, and it's basically an app editor or application that would improve your camera quality or your image quality. So over here right now, it's installing, and that's basically it and how you will guys be able to download Dazz Cam. So in App Store, if this app is available there, do the same process. Simply search Dazz Cam, and if it is available, you will be able to see it on your App Store. And then that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.